So I hear your Breeze isn't spraying anything. Well, I'm gonna show you how quick it is to fix. First, I want you to grab a few paper towels, fold them up, and lay them on the counter. Next, grab cleaner. If you don't have Tip Top Cleaner, you can use water, but Tip Top Cleaner is something you'll definitely want to get because it's going to keep your Breeze in perfect working order. First, remove the no mess tip. Turn and slide right off, placing that on my paper towel. Next, removing the nozzle, placing him on my paper towel. I'm going to put a few drops right through the nozzle. Dry him off and put him right back on. And you want to tighten this until it's comfortably tightened, till it stops, and then that is it. Grabbing my no mess tip, slide him on, lock him into place. Adding a few drops of the cleaner, closing the lid, turning him on, grabbing my tissue. The Tip Top Cleaner is going through perfectly. If you want to think about it this way, would you put up your toothbrush without rinsing it off? No, that's gross. Same thing with our Breeze. This is an amazing device that's going to give you a flawless application, so we want to take care of it. So make sure you're rinsing it out every single time you use it, and then if you run into the problem of no spraying, you now know what to do. 2 steps. That's it. You got this.